Welcome to our kitchen tale. Ngayon po, tayo magluluto ng seafood pinakbet. Ito po ang ating mga ingredients. 1 pack seafood cocktail, 1/4 kilo of shrimps, and a few pieces of salmon. 5 pieces of crab cut into half. Ngayon po, sa vegetable naman, 1/4 kilo of okra. Then, 1/4 kilo of sitaw. 1/4 kilo of kalabasa. Then, 3 pieces of talong cut into cubes. Now, let's saute. We need 5 pieces cloves of garlic minced. 1 large onion cut into strips. Then 2 large size of tomatoes cut into chunks. Then cover for 1 to 2 minutes. Ngayon po, if tender na yung tomatoes, atin po siyang imamash. Ngayon po, ready na yung ating tomatoes. Let's put the seafood ingredients. Ngayon po, hayaan po natin siyang kumulo for about 3 minutes. As you can see po, kumukulo siya sa sarili niyang sabaw. Now, let's add 1/2 cup of water. Now, let it simmer for 2 minutes. Now, let's put a teaspoon of salt or depende po sa alat na gusto ninyo. Now, let's also add a teaspoon of ground pepper. Ngayon po, ilalagay na natin ang ating mga gulay. Una po nating ilalagay yung ating kalabasa, pangalawa yung sitaw, and then let's cover for about 2 minutes hanggang medyo lumambot sila. Ngayon po, isunod na natin yung ating okra at talong and then cover for 2 minutes more. Ngayon po ay ready na ang ating seafood pinakbet. Ito na po ang ating finished product, seafood pinakbet. Thank you for watching. God bless.